Napanood niyo na ba tong video ni Eric Bukbang na pumunta siya sa isang unlimited wings sa may Talipapa? Madalas ako mapadaan dito pero wala akong rason para kumain dito. But then I was mentioned to his video and after kong kumain at mapanood ulit yung video, nakulangan ako sa description niya. The unlimited wings deserve more recognition. Kaya naman welcome to Reviewing Social Media Featured Restaurant starring Coast Wings, the normal customer edition. Hahatiin natin to sa tatlong aspeto: the service, satisfaction, and quality and quantity. Service. Service was good. They provided a recommendation na hindi ko pa na-experience sa iba. They recommended na mag-order muna kami ng tig-iisa sa bawat flavors para matikman at malaman kung ano yung pinakagusto namin, na parang nagte-taste test ang datingan, pare. And after naming matikman, namili kami ng top 3 flavor and dun na lang halos umikot yung order namin and paisa-isa or dala-dalawa dun sa ibang flavor. And that recommendation works really well for me, pare. Hindi ako umabot sa point na kailangan kong pilitin yung sarili kong ubusin yung manok na in-order ko kasi hindi ko nagustuhan yung lasa. Pagdating naman sa bilis ng refill, pare, at the time, pare, we are the only customer, so hindi ko sure kung gaano katagal yung refill time nila kapag sobrang daming tao. Pero based on my experience, nasa 3 to 5 minutes yung pag-refill nila since saka lang nila nilalagay yung sauce pag order mo. Satisfaction. They have 7 flavors pero umpisa natin sa pinaka-basic. The classic chicken. Dito pa lang, pare, flavorful na, hindi siya bland, and meron tong unique taste na may enjoy mo. May kasama na rin pala tong homemade gravy, but for me, it does not complement with the chicken. Lava cheese. Hindi lasang generic yung cheese na parang Kanto cheese sauce na nilalagay sa mga Kanto burger. Yung pagkaalat niya ay sakto lang, pare. The Coast Buffalo and the Sriracha sauce is a real deal when it comes with the flavor. And both of them have this tolerable spiciness, no? Maganda tong pang-reset ng panlasa kung nagsasawa ka na. Honey butter was the best for me. It was mentioned na very sweet, but for me, pare, na no. It's the holy grail or the epitome of what's supposed to be a honey buttered chicken is. Bolido, pare. The richness of honey and butter complements well with the taste of the chicken. Ito yung binalik-balikan ko. Ito talaga yung nilantakan ko. And sobra ako nasarapan dito that my mind cannot comprehend with the taste. I cannot even remember kung ano yung lasa niya kaya paulit-ulit ko siyang ino-order. Honey mustard. Kala ko nung una Heinz yung gamit nila dito kasi halos same yung lasa. I recommend this also if pakiramdam mo na nauumay ka na kasi meron tong sipa ng pagka-sourness na goods na pang-reset ng panlasa. Garlic parmesan. Garlic parmesan is not your typical garlic parmesan, pare, na parang sauce. Garlic parmesan nila dito is a real garlic in a parmesan. It has a garlicky taste with a combination of parmesan that complements with the chicken, pare. Goods din to, bolido. The creamy salted egg na merong sipa ng chili at the end. And lasang-lasa mo talaga yung pagka-salted egg. Hindi ako nagsasawa. Paulit-ulit namin tong in-order, pare, and bolido rin. So teriyaki talaga yung lasa niya, pare. It doesn't have this generic taste ng teriyaki na matitikman mo sa iba. Hindi siya matamis. Masarap din to, pare, bolido, but this is not my favorite. Isang beses ko lang in-order to. I will give you my top 3, pare. So my top 3 will be the classic chicken, the honey butter, and the honey mustard. Yun yung perfect combination sa akin para hindi ka maumay. Tapos sundot-sundot naman na lang ng ibang flavors. The crispiness is consistent, especially kahit may sauce yung manok. Some of the batch that we ordered, hindi na ganun kainit and medyo dry na, but it was not a problem as long as ganito kasarap yung sauce nila. Quality and quantity. For its price na 399 pesos, it's right for the price, pare. Pagdating sa quality ng sauce at ng manok nila, goods to, pare, bolido. This is not the typical sauce na natikman ko sa ibang Ali Wings na nakainan ko. Coast Wings sauce was homemade and not powdered mix or ready to mix based na sauce. Based dun sa staff kasi yun yung sinabi nila sa akin. And malalasan at makikita mo naman talaga kasi you will see a real garlic, real parmesan, and malalasahan mo rin yung honey, yung butter, and yung salted egg dun sa flavors nila. Kumbaga pare, true to its flavor sila. And this separates them from other unlimited wings na natikman ko. Kaya bibigyan natin siya ng overall ratings na 5 out of 5. This Unli Wings deserve a recognition, and this is my number 1 Unli Wings right now, and babalik-balikan ko to.